How to fix App Store cannot connect error on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix App Store cannot connect error on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to check is your Wi-Fi's connection. So you can head over to the Wi-Fi settings, and on your Wi-Fi settings you can turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on as well. So you can even turn on your airplane mode and turn off. Doing any one of those will just work out. After doing that and after setting that your network is not the error, what you can do is you can head back, and after you head back, head over to General. On your General, scroll down and there you'll find VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After doing that, you can head back and on General again, on the bottom you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap on Reset. After you tap on Reset, you'll get to reset all of your settings. You can reset your network settings and stuff like that. So choose any one. If you think your network's the issue, you can reset the network settings, but I recommend you guys to reset all settings. After doing that, what you'll then need to do is you can head back and on General again, just head over to Software Update. Make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. If you see an option like this where you can update your software, you can tap on Install. After doing that, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings again, and after you're on your initial settings page, scroll down till you find Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time and scroll down again. There you'll see Content and Privacy Restriction. Tap on it. Make sure that everything is turned off like this and you should be good to go. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.